The Greens might have their defensive issues, but their offense? Currently second best in EuroLeague, right behind their fierce rivals Olympiacos. Against ASVEL, we saw a great display of Ataman's offensive system. Perfect timing to dive back into one of my favorite subjects, breaking down offensive sets. From Horn's variations to Spain pick-and-roll actions, let's see how Panathinaikos carved up ASVEL's defense. Ergin Ataman opens with a well-designed double stagger action. Watch how it unfolds, starting with Juancho saving the jump ball from going out of bounds. Despite this scrambled start, the team finds its rhythm. Nunn comes off the stagger, draws the defensive attention, and finds Gabriel all alone for the easy dunk.
First possession. Into the hands of the visitors. ASVEL settled into man-to-man defense. Nunn. Oh, what a great feed. What a terrific feed from Nunn to Wenyan Gabriel, who acknowledges the pass.
The Greens opened the third quarter with the same double stagger action. Watch the similar execution. Nunn again showing great patience, drawing the defense and finding Gabriel for another easy finish.
They draw first blood in the second half. There's your 5 on the floor. Upstairs, Gabriel lays it in.
Next possession by the Greens. A classic Spain pick and roll. Watch Brown signal fist down, calling for his teammates to run the action. The defense breaks down. Lee gets caught on the screen. Theo Maledon tags high to disrupt Gabriel's roll, and Robertson positions himself as a low tagger deep in the paint. This leaves Juancho open, and Brown finds him with the kickout.
Deep possession for ASVEL. Pass to the corner. Juancho rises.
Next one comes from their Horn series. I think this is called Horns 2. Watch the sequence. Starting in Horns formation, Juancho makes the pitch back from the strong side, while they set up a weak side pin down around the elbow for Osman. Nice curl by Osman around the screen, catches the ball and attacks the rim aggressively, drawing the foul.
Jam for Sacco on an easy feed.
Watch another instance of this play in the second quarter. This time, it doesn't create an immediate advantage, forcing them to reset. The possession ends with Hernan Gomez saving the shot clock, hitting a contested corner shot at the buzzer. One more action from their Horn series. Watch Nunn and Mitoglu exchange positions in the high post. Not sure if this is Slukas improvising or reading the defense, but typically in this play, he's positioned on the right high post, coming off the ball handler's screen for the handoff. Watch closely here. Slukas actually directs his teammates' positioning. It's either a play call on the fly, or his teammates weren't in their proper spots initially. The result? He fakes setting the screen for Nunn, gets the pitch back from Mitoglu, and this movement triggers Juancho's face cut, or as some call it, the Danilovic cut.
Maledon with that rolled ankle. Will we see him again? DeColo, heavy minutes, 23 minutes. Hernan Gomez, empty.
One more play from their Horn series. Horns flowing into a double ball screen. Watch the sequence. Grant passes to Nunn and immediately joins Mitoglu to set the double screen.
white jerseys. With a three. Dakolo also approaching 500 threes in his career. Mitalou lost the handle. Swarmed. Got it! Dino Mitalou, full of emotion, pumps his fists.
In the very next possession, they run the identical action. Now, Nunn splits the hedge, this time finding Grant, who makes the extra pass to Slukas for another open three. But Slukas can't convert.
Yep. To give it to Harrison, who makes it a two-point game. Nunn. Grant, extra pass to Slukas. Slukas' shot, no good. Who's got the rebound?
One more Horns variation, the Horns middle zoom. Grant passes to Mitalou and sets an off-screen for Nunn, who comes off it to get Mitalou's handoff. What's Ataman trying to achieve here? Creating separation for Nunn by forcing his defender through two screens. First Grant's off-ball screen, then Mitalou's dribble handoff. This time, Nunn reads it perfectly, taking the handoff straight into the pull-up jumper.
From FS, had 501 coming into tonight's game. Nunn, three, buries it. Clinical from Panathinaikos.
Next play against ASVEL combines a ram screen into Spain pick and roll. Let's break this down. A ram screen is an off-ball screen for the upcoming ball screener. In this case, set for Tibor Pleiss. Slukas rejects the ball screen, attacks the gap, draws the defense, and finds an open Grant. Despite having the three, Grant hesitates and settles for the mid-range.
Shaquille Harrison trying to guard Slukas. Oh, Slukas left him for dead. Grant from the elbow, another stop. Kept alive by Papa Petru. Slukas, beautiful look-away pass.
Interesting note, while this is Pleiss's first game with Panathinaikos, he's very familiar with this action. It's one Ataman brought from his Anadolu Efes playbook, where Pleiss was a key piece. Watch two more Ram Spain executions here. First one, ASVEL's defensive miscommunication leaves Slukas wide open for three. In the second, the initial action breaks down, resetting to a pick and roll targeting Dakolo. The Greens clearly identified the French veteran as a defensive weak point. With Tibor Pleiss, Ataman adds another floor-stretching big alongside Mitalou, opening up pick-and-pop opportunities. Watch this action between Pleiss and Slukas. The defense instantly anticipates the obvious pass to Pleiss on the pop, but Slukas has other ideas. Beautiful no-look pass-finding Mitalou, who recognizes the gap and backcuts for the finish.
And Pana, come back. Oh, what a great pass from Slukas. Terrific pass from Slukas. Mitalou acknowledges the pass.
One more pick and pop here. Not sure what the defense does here. Watch how they completely lose track of Juancho. Easy back cut, and Pleiss finds him under the basket.
Chose to hang on to it for a few seconds. Now wants the ball screen from Pleiss. Yeah, quick passing.
Let's look at some other notable actions from this game. I'll break these down clip by clip. First up, watch this floppy action. Next, this out-of-bounds play. Stagger into backscreen the screener, flowing into Spain pick and roll. Here's another baseline out-of-bounds set. Flex screen the screener. Next, weave into Spain pick and roll. And finally, this stagger transitioning into a ram with angle change. Ataman showing the depth of his playbook here. We've broken down several actions from Ataman's playbook today, from horns variations to Spain pick-and-roll sets. With Pleiss now in the mix, adding another shooting big alongside Mitoglou, it'll be interesting to see how this offense evolves. The Greens' attack keeps rolling as the second best in EuroLeague. If you enjoyed this type of breakdown, let me know in the comments. There's plenty more to analyze in Ataman's offense. This is Baskethead, breaking down the game we love.